Hey guys, it's Desi. Welcome back to my channel. Or if you all are new here, welcome to my channel. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and turn my post notifications on. And don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you all enjoyed it. It really helps so much. So I have been waiting to film today's video for honestly such a long time. I've literally had these lashes sitting in my drawer for I don't know how long, and I began wearing them and I instantly became obsessed and I knew I had to make this video. So if you guys have not heard of Aliexpress, it's kind of like a wholesale website similar to Shein and stuff, but the prices are really low, especially when it comes to lashes. You could buy in bulk or you can just buy the styles that you want. I literally spent about $10 to make this entire video with all these lashes. So if you guys want me to put you on and save you some coin, then keep watching. So first off, I want to say I know I look crazy with no lashes. For some reason, it's like people seem to forget that my real lashes are not freaking humongous and touching my eyebrows, because every time someone sees me without lashes, they're like, oh my gosh, your lashes. Like, I know. I wish that I could have naturally long freaking 25mm lashes as my everyday lashes, but unfortunately I can't. So that is exactly why I'm making this video, to help you guys find some really affordable lashes so that you guys do not have to break the bank. I know how it feels to buy a nice pair of lashes, use them 2 or 3 times, and then lose them. It's literally happened to me with like 20 pairs of lashes, and it's like, bruh, I literally just bought these lashes this week, spent $30 on them or however much, and they're gone. And it's literally like heartbreaking. So these lashes are super cute for everyday use if you don't want to break the bank buying some lashes. These are good lashes to take on vacation, if you're gonna be by the pool and you still want to have some lashes but you don't want to ruin your good ones. Or if you're just getting into lashes and you're not sure if you're gonna like them and you want to try some more dramatic ones versus the drugstore ones, these are really good alternatives. So enough of me talking, let me go ahead and show you guys the styles. So the first style, this is what they look like. They are called 3D106. As you can see, I've already worn them because I clearly did not put them back on the tray correctly. So all the lashes I'm going to show you guys I have worn, just so that I can give you guys like a more in-depth review rather than just, oh, this is what they look like, this is how they put on. Like, no. I actually did wear these. So I paid $2.55 for this entire tray, which means for 10 pairs at $2.55, they were about 25 cents each. So that's exactly why these would be really good ones to buy if you're not sure if you're gonna like them and you just want to test them out. And they are not bad quality, they are pretty good quality. These say mink on the website and they do feel like mink. This is a close-up of what they look like. They are 3D, like they do have multiple layers to them. So I'm gonna go ahead and be putting it on to show you guys what it looks like on my eye. And one thing I do want to mention is the lash does have that curve to it. I know a lot of less expensive lashes, once you pull them off of the tray, they become straight and it's really difficult to put them on because they just keep popping straight. So these ones actually do keep their shape really nicely, which honestly makes application so much easier. So I am putting on a fresh set, not the set that I previously wore, because when I wore it, I accidentally cut them too short, so they did look a little bit weird. So for this one, instead of cutting the lash, I'm going to keep the full lash length. And then for glue, I am using the Green Duo Brush On Glue. This is the best glue you could ever use in your entire life. If you are not using it, you need to start using it. So they did go on very nicely. As you can see, it does add a lot of drama to the eye. The shape is really, really pretty, and I like how it's not completely 100% full. The hairs are a little bit staggered the way they're placed. For me, these would be a more natural lash because I do wear ginormous full lashes all the time. So like this would be a very natural lash for me. It's very light and feathery, and it does have a lot of length to it. It is very comfortable on my eye. It did not go on with any problems. It was really easy to put on. I didn't have to keep adjusting it and pushing it down and everything. It went on very nicely. So I'm gonna go ahead and apply the other one so we could see the full completed look with them. Okay, so one thing I did just notice is the shapes on the inner corners are a little bit different. So you can see this one goes straight up and this one is going like in towards my nose. I mean, it's not that big of a deal, but it does look kind of weird. Of course, only you might notice it because it's on your face, but it is kind of odd. So other than that, I really do like these lashes. They are super, super pretty. They go on the eyes super easily. They're super comfortable, and I personally really recommend these, especially for $2.55. Okay, so the next lashes that I'm going to be trying on for you guys are way more dramatic. These lashes I have worn for the past 2 weeks. I've been wearing the same pair and it still looks really good. None of the hairs are falling out. The glue removes really nicely without pulling any of the hairs out. And I think that is one of my biggest pet peeves, is when you pull the glue off your lashes and like the last hairs, usually from the end corners, come out. And that happens to me a lot with my Lily lashes. Maybe at about the 10th use, they start coming out and I'm like, bruh, I paid $30 for these lashes and the hairs are already falling out. So that is one of the main reasons that I don't really like to splurge on Lily lashes. I'll get a pair or two from time to time, but they are not my go-tos. I will not go and spend $90 on Lily lashes because for me, they honestly just don't last. So that is the main reason that I was really impressed with these lashes, because they lasted 2 weeks wearing them every single day and they still looked good. Unfortunately, I cannot show you the pair that I had been wearing because I did lose it. I don't know where I put them. I literally just cannot find them anywhere, but take my word for it, they were in really good condition. So these lashes are called MDF12. This is what the box looks like. They're called Glam Volume Sexy Eyelash. So this is a box, real cute. If I was gonna use any words to describe these lashes, it would probably be those words. These lashes are super fluffy. They're similar to these as how the hairs are in different sections and not completely full throughout the lash, but as you can see, there is a lot of hairs to fill in the space. I am completely obsessed with these lashes. I definitely will be repurchasing these. I wore them a few times and after that I just could not stop wearing them. They look so good. So these ones were $3.38 for 6 pairs. So they were about like 50 to 60 cents each, which is a little bit more expensive than the other ones, but at the same time it's like less than a cup of coffee. And then I know these are a little bit hard to find just because the website is so saturated with different lashes, so I will be linking the exact pairs that I got down below in the description if you guys are interested. So right away off the box, just like the last ones, they do keep their curve to them. So as you can see, they do have a lot of hairs on them, and they also do have layers to them. It's not just one flat lash line. They do have some volume. And just like with the last set, I'm not going to cut these because they do fit my eyes perfectly. Okay, so let me tell you guys one thing that I actually did not like about this pair. If you can tell, you can kind of see the shininess right here at the end of the lash. The glue that they use to stick it to the tray actually goes pretty far down onto the lash. So when dirt or dust or eyeshadow or whatever gets on them, it does stick to it. And that was a problem that I had with the last set, is all of this glue turned white and it was so difficult to remove. So I think that is the only downside to these lashes. But I mean, they're 50 cents each. You have 6 pairs. You can literally just get another pair once they get dirty. And then if you guys want to learn how to apply lashes, I'll be linking both of my lash tutorials in the description below. So as you can see, the application was super simple. You stick the corner on and the rest just follows the shape of your eye, which is why that curve is so important. They are very comfortable to wear. And as you can see, they just instantly add so much drama to your eye. These ones are a bit dramatic compared to the first ones, but of course, like I said, Aliexpress has so many lashes. If you want more natural lashes or even more dramatic lashes, they literally have any lash that you would like. Another thing that I really like about these lashes is the application is so easy. They literally just fall onto the shape of your eye. I will say they are a bit heavy. Of course, they are giant. They are more dense than the first ones. They have a lot more hairs, but they honestly just look so good. I will definitely be repurchasing these in the future. Like I said, these lashes are so cheap that it's so convenient that you could wear them in the pool, to the beach, whatever you want to do, and you don't have to worry about ruining your $30 lashes. So one thing I do have to say about both of these and the website in general is that the shipping is not the best. It's not near good. It's pretty horrible. And I don't know if it's just right now because of what is going on, but these originally I ordered them together in maybe January. And I know COVID was not in America yet, but I do know it was in China already, I think. I don't know if that did kind of slow down the shipping a bit. So I got them maybe in the end of February or beginning of March, which is almost a month. And I did not receive them together. I only received these, and these ones were canceled and refunded back into my account. And I know that they come from 2 different sellers. That was just like a little inconvenience. So I ordered these again in March, maybe? Yeah, like once I got these refunded, and I did not receive them until May. I completely forgot I had even ordered them, and one day a package arrived in the mail for me and I was like, what is this? And it was these. But yeah, that's just a slight inconvenience. I mean, it's gonna get there eventually. So for that happening, I only got 2 pairs because I had been waiting to film this video for such a long time. I did not want to keep ordering pairs and waiting for them. So if you guys do want to see more styles, let me know down below in the comments and I will do an entire AliExpress haul and lash try on. So there is that. I really hope you all enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if y'all enjoyed it. It really helps so much. Leave a comment down below what you thought, and don't forget to head over to my Instagram and give me a follow. As always, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys in my next video.